Hi everyone, let's start solving today's LeetCode question 958, check completeness of a binary tree. So in this question, we have given the root of a binary tree. We need to determine if a tree is a complete binary tree or not. So what is a complete binary tree? So the definition of a complete binary tree is that a tree has to be filled except the last level should be completely filled. Okay, so if I take an example of a tree, if this is my tree, okay, if I am considering this is my tree, okay, so how many levels are there? If I consider this is my first level, this is my second level, and this is my third level, and this is my fourth level. Okay, so as per the definition what I am saying कि last level से पहले second last level तक till this level all the nodes, all the levels should be completely filled. So in a binary tree a node can have at max 2 children only, and as per complete binary tree what I am saying कि लास्ट लेवल से जो पहले वाला लेवल है वहाँ तक सारे लेवल्स completely filled होने चाहिए. Okay, so let me check this. Okay, as per the first level this is completely filled, this is also completely filled, this level is also completely filled. And what is the definition about of a complete binary tree of the last level? That it should be completely filled from left to right, in the left to right direction. So as I'm here, this is also null, this is also null, this is also null, this is also null. This is fine, okay, but it should not be like this in this structure. If I talk about this let me say null, and here is a node, here is a node, and here is also null. So in this case till second last level it is completely filled, that is fine. But if I trying to iterate from the last level, from the left to right it should be completely filled. But as I am saying, the left is null and the right subchild of this node contains a node. Okay, so this is not valid scenario of for a complete binary tree. So I hope you got the complete information about the complete binary tree. क्या मैं second last level तक fully all the level should be completely filled, second last level तक ये चेक करना है कि सारे levels completely filled है, और last level पे ये चेक करना है कि left to right completely filled है या नहीं है. Okay, so let's try to understand this example. Okay, so this is my 0th level, this is my first level, this is my second level. So 0 and first are completely filled, but if I talk about the last level, it is filled from left to right. This node contains the right node as null. This is completely fine, this is completely fine कि वो लेफ़्ट से राइट डायरेक्शन में completely filled है. लेकिन अगर लेफ़्ट नल है और राइट में अगर मुझे नोड की वैल्यूज़ मिल रही है लास्ट लेवल पे, दैट इज़ not a complete binary tree. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, so this is the root. Okay, this is the 0th level, this is the first level, this is the second level. Okay, 0th level is completely filled, first level is also completely filled, the third level, so this is null. So here I can see, if I trying to, this is the last level, if I go in the left to right direction, this is not completely filled because here I am seeing a null, as well as per the definition of a complete binary tree it should be filled into left to right direction. Okay, so if I go traverse in left to right direction, I can see 4 and 5, but here I can see null, and after null there should be nothing present in a complete binary tree. Okay, so as I am saying in this question, the exact way I will approach this question to reach the optimized solution. Okay, so as I am saying, I am traversing in a level by level. Okay, so what I can do here in this case, I can select to approach this question as level order traversal. Level order traversal means I will access all the nodes of this tree level by level. Okay, And what is level order traversal? Level order traversal is also known as breadth first search. Okay. सो इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट DFS, सो DFS में हम ऐसे आइट्रेट करते हैं एक ट्री को, पहले सारी लेफ्ट प्रॉब्लम, फिर राइट सब प्रॉब्लम, फिर राइट सब प्रॉब्लम पे जाते हैं. बट इन दिस केस आई विल ट्रैवर्स इन दिस लेवल ऑर्डर ट्रैवर्सल. ओके, सो एज आई गेट टू नो कि the instant when I after I got a null value, there should not be any another value. Okay, so let me take one more example. If this is my root node, okay, and this is null, this is also null. Okay, so I started iterating here. Okay, I did not find any null value. After this I did not found any null value, and when I reached the last level, I start iterated. I found one null value. When I found one null value, after complete iterating of a tree, I should not get any particular node value. If I found only null values, that is fine. Okay, let me consider that case as well. What I am trying to say here. Okay, and here I am saying a null is here. Okay, then I traversed from the 0th level. I did not found any null value. Here in the first level I did not found any null value. Here I started, I read the last level. Here I start iterating. Okay, I did not found any null value yet, but here I found a null value. Okay, so can I say I maintain a flag here? So I found a null value, I found a null node. Okay, after I found my flag, is there as per the definition of a complete binary tree, should any particular node should be present in my tree as per complete binary? No. So I start iterating again, but here I found a particular node value, not the null node, but the not null node I found. Okay, so if I found a not null after a null node, so that is against the definition of a complete binary tree. So at this step only I will return a false value. So I hope you got the approach here, like what I am trying to do here. First I selected my traversal, which traversal technique I will be approaching in this question. And after deciding the order traversal, what I decided that how I can see the definition of a complete binary tree through this traversal technique. Okay, so let me take you to the code walkthrough once. So here, if my root is null, I can simply return a true. So this is my base case. Okay, because that is also a complete binary tree. अगर एक root की वैल्यू null है, क्योंकि null के बाद मुझे एक not null वैल्यू नहीं मिल रही है, करेक्ट, सो वो भी एक complete binary tree बोला जाएगा. So okay, after that, to do a BFS or level order traversal, I need a queue. Okay, you must know the queue data structure. Okay, queue data structure works on the thesis of first in first out. Okay, so I added root in my queue and I created a flag here. So this is my flag. So if it is a null value, I am setting my flag as true, and after I setted my null node or flag is equal to true, after I found a not null value, I am simply returning a false. And if I did not found any null value inside my tree, I am simply return a true. Okay, at the end. If I talk about the time complexity, every node I am iterating only once or assessing only once, so it will be order of n. And if I talk about the space complexity is nothing but the width of the tree. So that is order of width of the tree, but width I do not know. So if I talk about in the terms of n, so the last node, let me try to, so in the worst case, what will be the space or all the nodes should be present inside my queue. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and here I can see if total number of nodes is 7, so how many elements are present at the last level, which is nothing, 7 by 4. So can I say around n by 2 values are present at the last level? N by 2 minus 1 basically, but n by 2, let's suppose. So if I say the space complexity in the worst scenario will be n by 2, so if I remove this coefficient, so it will be nothing but order of n. I hope this video helped you to find the optimized solution for this question. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.